Hello you guys, good morning. Welcome to part 2 of my Carnival Magic cruise vlogs. My name is Kayla Jukic if you are new. If you're not, hello again. If this is the first time you are seeing me, like I said, I am currently on the Carnival Magic. If you haven't already checked out part 1, go ahead and do that. That is a little bit of a recap of our first 2 sea days, and then yesterday when we were in Curacao, I give a little breakdown of what we did, what we saw, all of that. I also talked a little bit about the Magic overall, the food, that type of stuff. As for today, it is Wednesday. This is technically Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so 4th full day on the cruise, and we are in Aruba. I have actually never been here, so I'm quite excited to go out and just see the port. I think it's about like 9:30 right now. We actually got here super early. It was about 7 a.m. and we were able to get off at 7:15, but the hubby and I slept until about 8:15. We just got some breakfast and now we're gonna head off. We're actually not gonna be doing any excursion or beach day today. My husband is pretty burnt, so we're gonna try and stay away from the beach today, kind of just explore. So you guys are gonna come along with us. I'll quickly show you guys my outfit. So I have this 2-piece set that I bought from Shein. I love the color, the green. It looks so nice. I put my hair up in a clip because if you guys watched part 1, Curacao, Aruba, like all of these places are so stinking windy. After breakfast, we went onto the Lido deck for like 5 minutes to kind of just get like a view of everything, and the wind is crazy. So hair is up today. Once you're out of that main shopping port area, you're gonna start to see, you know, the streets with regular traffic. You're gonna want to keep walking to the right hand side. Before Lucy's restaurant, you're gonna see this little beach area and you can get a really good shot of the ship. Hopefully, if your ship was like ours in this exact spot, you can get a really good photo. Okay, I don't even know if you guys can hear me. I'm talking quite loud, but we are walking through Aruba. As you guys can obviously see, it is so stinking hot. I'm literally sweating in places that I should not be sweating, but as you can see, it's windy. So far we have just been walking. We kind of got out of like the main port area and we're kind of just walking down the streets. As you can see and probably hear, there's lots of cars and traffic. We got a really good photo spot of the ship, which is so cool. And as you guys saw, I took some videos of the Norwegian Prima, which if you guys have been following for a while, Alan and I were actually on that in 2022. And we were telling people at dinner last night about that ship. So it's just funny that we saw it here today. Wow, what a freaking day. My hair is so crazy. Like, it is so windy in these places. But as you can see, I am back on the boat. We are currently in the room. We got back on the boat, I would say probably like 12:30, I think. We had to be back on at 2:30. So we got on a little bit earlier just because I think I told you guys earlier we weren't going to a beach or anything. We just spent, you know, the morning walking around. We went into a few shops. I bought some more sunscreen because we're running out. And I also bought a razor for shaving because I literally forgot one. I cannot believe it. I also did buy this like 2-piece cover-up set, which I'm actually going to show you because it's actually so cute. The lighting in the room doesn't do it justice, but it's like beige and black. It's like crochet. It's actually super cute. I even tried it on. Oh my god, it's just so cute. I think I might actually wear it tomorrow. It's the cutest little just like beach cover up, and we're going to be in La Romana tomorrow. Is it? I don't know.
Romana.
Huh?
La Romana.
Okay, La Romana. I'm sorry, I need to say it with an accent. I said La Romano. Did I say Romano? I don't know. Whatever. It's a new port. I've never been there. So anyways, back to today. What was the place called that we had a drink?
Joe's Bar.
Joe's what? Island bar?
Iguana bar.
Iguana bar. Anyways, I showed you guys it. The hubby got a beer and I got a pink iguana. It was like a frozen drink with rum and I don't know, I think it was like strawberry frozen. I don't know, it was really good. My feet are honestly hurting a bit because just like from walking around so much this week, but it's all good, I'm not complaining. We got back on the boat, we had some lunch, and I tanned for a little bit. I read in the sun for a bit. I went in the pool because it was so hot and I needed to jump in the pool. This is actually my husband's second cruise being platinum on Carnival. So they had like a platinum and diamond party. So we actually just went to that. It was at 3:45 in the Showtime Theater, which is just where they do the shows. And they give everybody in there free drinks. Alan got a beer and I got a champagne, and then another guy came around and he gave us both a rum punch, and we were like, no, it's okay, we don't need it. And he was like, no, take it. And we were like, oh my goodness. This is actually the little card that we had in our little mail slot. So it says you're invited. If it would focus, there we go. It says, Alan, your membership in the VIFP club comes with perks, blah, 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 blah. Now it's like 4:30 and we're just in the room. We're honestly going to take showers and then we're probably going to take a nap because we're super tired. And there's not much going on tonight, honestly. Like, there's not really anything. The only thing on is the Love and Marriage show, which is at 9:30. So it's like a lot later. I know like on the deck they're doing movies. I think at 6:30 it's Gran Turismo. I think that's what it's called. I know like the sun drains you a lot and we're probably a little bit dehydrated, so we definitely could use a nap, and I will catch you guys then. 7:40 right now. Woke up from the nap and did my makeup. I slightly curled my hair. This is the outfit for the evening. I'm wearing this beautiful pink dress. It has like floral butterflies on it. It's like a cowl neckline, thin spaghetti straps, super cute. What day are we on? I don't even remember. Good morning, guys. What is up? Welcome to our third port stop. Today we are in La Romana, Dominican Republic. This is actually a late port stop. We got here I think at like 10:30. It's like, what time is it now? 11:22 and we're still not off the boat. They haven't cleared us. They said probably around 11:30, 11:45. So we are just waiting on deck 3. There is a ton of people, you know, all around, everywhere. There's a lot of people sitting at the bar and the seats here, and everyone's getting ready to go. Generally what they do is if you have like a tour, an excursion book, they will meet usually in the Showtime Theater. So a lot of people are in there right now, and like the crew is just designating people to like wherever tour they're going so that they can get off together. We are here for a short time, so like I said, like 11:30, 11:45 till 5:30 we have to be back on the boat, and I guess we're leaving around 6 o'clock. It's not the best view. The windows are really dirty, but we can already see people getting off. I don't know how. It must be staff, but this is kind of the view we're getting. We have no plans, so towards this way I'm going to show you guys. There's like a little resort with a pool. We're gonna head there, try and get some chairs and just chill by the pool all day. One thing I will mention, from Aruba to this port last night, the boat was so rocky. My husband barely slept. Like, he just kept waking up it was, I don't know what was going on. It's just super windy in these ports of call, so I don't know. So this was my first time here. I'm not sure if this is a new port. I'm not sure if it's just for Carnival. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments. But, you know, from the top, so when we were on the top deck looking out, it looks not that appealing. So I was a little bit worried, I'm not gonna lie. But once we got off of the boat, this little resort type of area is actually really nice. So you're gonna first walk through the duty free, so there's some stores, you can pick up anything. And then as you can see, as you keep walking, you're going to get to the restaurant where there's chairs and the pool area. They have a swim-up bar, and then behind this area is actually another little restaurant area where you can see, you can order some drinks, some food, whatever it is. As you can kind of tell, it was like cloudy and sunny, so we were just like in and out of the pool, tanning. This is the menu for the food. You guys can screenshot it if you would like. And then on the flip side, this is the desserts, sides, and drinks. It was a bit expensive. We got nachos, and they were actually pretty good. Then we headed back onto the boat, as you can see, and I'm going to let you know that in a second. We are back on the boat. As you can see, I went to the water park. We both went on the, I don't even know what it's called, the yellow slide that's on this ship. And then, you know that bucket that fills with water and then pours all over you? I went under that a couple times. 31 years old, but I'm 8 at heart. The weather is like, it's nothing special today. There's lots of clouds. It's been sunny, cloudy, so we came back on the boat at like 3-ish. We're leaving at 5:30, so we are just hanging out. I'm probably gonna read, honestly. Welcome to Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. So when you get off of the boat, you have duty free, as most ports are. So if there's any alcohol, smokes, anything you want to buy, you can get it here. Once you get through the duty free, they have this area for excursions. So if you haven't already booked something and you want to do something, you can go here, talk to the people. Now, to the left of the port is where all of the shopping is. I'm not going to go in and out of stores. I don't want to spoil it for you, but this is where you're going to find all of the shopping, is to this left side. And if you keep going all the way down, they have the stamp here. So if you like stamping your passport, make sure you check that out. Now, to the left side of that stamp place is a really good spot where you can get a view of the ship and just the water and the view and everything. It's stunning. My husband and I, every time we come here, we just like going here because we like just seeing the ship in its fullness. So that is all to the left when you walk out of that duty free. Now, going towards the right side, I'm going to show you what's here. So if you keep walking, you can actually have two options. So the first is you can do this sky bar. So you just walk to this little area. You have to go a little bit like north, and to the left side, you kind of just like walk through this area and then find these stairs and walk up. And basically it's a restaurant. You can sit at the top, you can get drinks. I'm pretty sure you can eat there, and you're above everyone, so you have a really nice view. But if you keep walking straight, you're gonna go to that little resort area. So it's kind of like La Romana, where there's like a swim-up bar, a pool, a restaurant. This is the menu for the drinks and the food for the restaurant. And if you keep walking a little bit past that, like I said, there's a bunch of beach chairs, there's a pool. This is where we generally hang out. They even have a zip line. I don't know if you guys can see it, which is fun. I'm not sure how much it is exactly. We are back in the room. It's like 12:30 right now. Honestly, we just really want to chill on the boat today. We walked around for like an hour, maybe 2 hours, and now I just put a bathing suit on, my cover up, and I got this little, what are these called? It's not a slip, I don't know, it's a little cover-up skirt thing. Also just put some more sunscreen on because I don't know if you could tell, I'm like slightly red. So we're gonna see how this goes, but it is so stinking hot here. So hot. So we're gonna go on the water slides again probably, and definitely the pool. My husband's shaking his head, he's like, no water slides. Why not?
Because it hurts your back?
Yeah, it does. I think I may have said this yesterday. If I didn't, there's like, I don't know if there's just not enough water in the water slides.
We're too big for them.
Huh?
We're just too big for them.
No, they're adult water slides. It's just, I don't know if there's enough water, but going down your back kills. Anyways, let's go on the Lido deck. Last day, as you can see, I am a friggin' tomato. So after Amber Cove, I don't honestly, the past like day I did not even vlog anything. Yesterday was a sea day, it was our last day, and you can see I turned into a tomato. It is 9:15 a.m. right now, and we are about to disembark, which is so friggin' sad. But the hubby and I are not flying back to Toronto until this evening. Around 6:15 p.m. is our flight, so we just rented a car. We're gonna go pick it up after we get off the ship, and we're probably just gonna spend the day driving around Miami. So I think I'm gonna actually end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed these cruise vlogs. Honestly, we had such a good time. But I always feel like I need a vacation from my vacation because it's so hot, you're in the sun, you're doing so many things. We stay up way later than we would at home. So it's bittersweet for sure. I'm ready to go home, but also I don't want to go home. We enjoyed the Carnival Magic. We're excited to book our next cruise. Hopefully, I don't know, probably by the end of the year. But again, thanks for coming along. Make sure to subscribe to me down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.